So let's come over and look at CL next this morning, and this extraordinary, messy, horrible pattern off last week's low. So there's the low. I've got this A, B, C for a 1, 2. This yesterday, which best I can do, A, then an A, B, C for this B here. And I must admit, I was somewhat uncertain about this morning until we started to do this. So I think we're getting an A, B, C for a 1, an A, B, C for the 3 here, which should come to 65.95 to 66.10, then a pullback in the 4, then up deeper into this target box for this 3, then we get another 4, then the 5, all of which is for a really, really sloppy, horrible diagonal. So it makes it tough to trade it intraday even at the moment, but thus far this pattern has held good. So that's what I'm going to be keying off. In the meantime, it has given you one-day trade entry here, here this morning if you wanted to take it. If you took that, then I would suggest you take half off already and just put your stop just below the blue line. I don't think it's got a lot higher to go before we get a deeper pullback that's going to take those levels back out. I haven't personally taken that trade this morning. So that's what I've got in CL. Now, Natty Gas. So as suspected, we took this high out here, and we've now got this ending diagonal pattern here for the final fifth. I think we've got A, B, C for this one, A, B, C for the 2, A, B, C. This should, it's come over the 1.0 extension here. It should, in theory, push up and tag the 123.6. Then here's your support zone for the 4 before we get the final push up to the original target. 3012 is the ideal. See that and it starts to come off, and I'm a buyer of DGAS for the swing short trade in natural gas. Meantime, day trading chart, I forgot. Yeah, day trading wise, it's actually giving you a short entry here early on this morning. If you've taken it, just stop at entry in case it does want that 123.6 for the 3. The 4 down should be a decent enough trade for an intraday scalp, and then reverse for the 5 up if you feel so inclined. Okay.